Thursday, July 4th, and we got a fan visit here from Saskatchewan. And he's just going to come out and have a visit with Dad.
I feel like I'm 35.
Well, I wish I could feel that way because there are lots of ideas and a lot of stuff I'd like to do. But there's
So,
no way I can do it.
what brings you to the paw?
Well, I wanted to come out and talk to him. I got
Okay.
some questions.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What kind of Bombardier do you own?
I got 5 of them.
5?
Yeah. There are, R something, 56.
R12 or R18?
R12,
Yeah?
Yeah. And I got
Metal?
2, the bigger ones are metal, and I got 3 are wooden ones.
Oh, okay.
But I changed the one into metal.
Okay,
I'm
so
not,
you reskinned it?
yeah. And I got a Perkins diesel motor to put in it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You think that's going to work good?
I don't know. I've never
I'm
done
going to
it.
explain to you what the trouble is. You put in a 6-cylinder Ford or a 292 Chevy,
Yeah.
and if you put a 4-barrel on it, you've got more power than you need.
Oh, is that right, eh?
But they turn over at top around 5,000 RPM,
Oh, yeah.
and your differential is geared for that motor. So
Yeah.
you put a Cummins in there that runs 21 to 2300, you're not going to get any speed.
Yeah.
And then if you change the gearing, you won't have the power.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
So
Well, you see, that's what I got to find out.
my suggestion is,
I haven't put the motor in yet, so I got lots of options, yes.
yeah, is get a motor like for a narrow gauge.
Yeah.
It should be a 6-cylinder inline,
Yeah.
and then make sure your rad is redone, and you got automatic transmission,
Yeah.
and go from there.
Oh, yeah.
And when you rebuild it, that you're happy with it, you got something to sell.
Yeah.
Don't be afraid of fixing them good, because they're sellable.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure.
So whereabouts in Saskatchewan are you from?
St. Walbert.
Sorry, where?
St. Walbert.
St. Walbert.
Oh, okay.
It's
We know where it
southwest.
is.
Yeah, yeah.
We drive right by it.
Oh, do you? Oh.
I have relatives.
So how long have you owned the Bombardiers for?
Probably since 06 I started.
Oh, okay. So you just bought one, kept on collecting them.
Yeah, they seem to fall in my lap, so I just carried on.
Okay. How did you find us on Facebook or YouTube or both?
Oh, YouTube.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been watching all the movies.
Okay. Yeah. How do you? What do you think of the videos?
Oh, they're good.
Yeah?
Educational.
If you're interested in a Bombardier and you want to rebuild one, all you have to do is follow the movies.
Yeah, yeah. Well, it's good to have, you know, when you don't know nothing about them, you know.
Wanted me to put down some stuff on a movie, and
Yeah.
I didn't want to be on the movie, so
Yeah.
I got a pointing stick.
Yeah.
And then next thing you know, the guys are online and want to see what this old prick is doing.
Yeah.
What it looks like.
Yeah. Well, it's good. I'm glad you put it on there. It makes it darn interesting. Yeah.
I'm going to give you a little hint. Rebuild the wide gauge.
Yeah.
And do it right. And then let's keep with the other ones if
Yeah.
you feel like it.
Yeah, I got to do some work on it yet. Like you open the front up. I think that's a good idea. I like that.
Yeah. You can't service it otherwise.
Yeah. And mine's got a big dent there too.
Well, that's okay. I'll show you all the stuff to do.
Yeah.
It's very easy.
Yeah.
After you have coffee and you relax a bit, we're going to do a walk around.
Yeah.
So I'm back here again at the end of the day, and Dad and his visitor and his buddies are all working on the airboat. So I reached out to Perky's wife there yesterday on Facebook. They were supposed to call here today, find out what the story is. But Perky's got a transmission leak here. But he's got to put the tires back on and the track back on. I don't know what else is going on here. But we'll find out if Perky called here today, and hopefully we can get this Woody out of the shop here soon. And there's our new Saskatchewan apprentice, Larry. Are you learning lots?
Lots and lots.
Yeah, having lots of fun, eh?
Now the problem is you remember it all.
Yeah. And Randy's just doing some wiring here.
Good stuff.
Did Dad take you a tour around, show you any of the other Bombardiers?
Yeah, we went to the blue, and down the road here.
Okay, but did you show you the ones in the yard here?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
We're gonna look at other photos tonight.
Okay, good. So did you learn anything today?
Yes. Lots.
Yeah?
Here's the
A lot of my ideas are not gonna work out.
Oh. Well, everything takes longer than it should,
Yeah.
or everything longer than you planned,
Yeah.
and nothing is quick and simple as you thought it might be.
Right.
So,
Yeah, I'll have to drop a few of my ideas.
yeah. So this is our new buddy Larry. Larry's in from St. Walburg, Saskatchewan. Just showed up last night or yesterday afternoon, and we got him out here. And he's been with Dad and Randy all day and touring around, and
even got the Fred's.
even got to Fred's to see Fred's Bombardier. And
Yeah.
so, what's the best part about showing up at?
Well, I learned about those spindles for the wheels.
Yeah,
That's a good idea. I like that.
and
I also like the electric steering.
yeah, power steering is
Oh,
always.
you don't have power steering?
Oh,
Oh,
all Armstrong.
did you show him the spring dampers at all or no?
Yeah, well, he showed me the tool.
Okay.
Yeah.
Spring to the coil, the rubbers that go in the coil
Oh, no,
springs,
we didn't
those
see
are
that.
called
Oh, I
spring
can.
dampers.
Oh, yeah.
I'll
Where
go.
did you get them?
We got him here. Literally just got him
Get
in.
them machined.
Oh. I'll have to look at that tomorrow.
Okay. So, are you having a good fan experience then?
Yeah.
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 This is Dad's OnlyFans. There's actually guys showing up to the shop here.
Oh, well.
Well,
We haven't been using them the last couple of years too much. But we kind of got into the snowcats,
Yeah, yeah.
but the Bombardier is still good.
Daisy.
And Charles is just enjoying the cool shop, and he's letting the two young ones play. Daisy's got a new friend, Filipino Emily, and Charles just wants rest and dog treats. Too old to put up with this nonsense. Too active.